Hello stock traders, I hope all of you had a fantastic trading day. In today's video, I am coming to you with 5 stocks that institutions are loading heavy right now. So far year to date, I am personally at a 157.21% gain. Hopefully all of you are having fantastic gains. But before we get started, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when one of these videos comes out. I have some links down below that I need to make you aware of. First of all, I have Webull. I use it each and every day for my trading. I love the app and I love how it works, and also the desktop version. If you are looking for a powerful broker and you want free stocks, click on that link down below and you will get free stocks. So that's a great way to go. I also have a link for BlockFi down below because I love earning interest on my cryptocurrencies, and that is a great way to do it. I have a link for that if you want some free Bitcoin. That is how you do that. Click on that link and open an account there if you want to earn some interest on your cryptocurrencies that you are holding. I love to do that. Also, I have a link for our Patreon group down below if you're looking for a powerful group. This is it. We have different levels depending upon what you're looking for. And if you want my buy and sell alerts, that is the place to get it. And please keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor. Of course, you need to do your own due diligence and be responsible for all your trades. But I have some great stocks for you today that need to be added to your watch list because so many institutions are loading heavy on these stocks. I'm going to go through each and every one. So here we go. The first one is already been on my top 7 stocks to give you an edge video, and this thing has been amazing, and hopefully all of you have gotten in on it, up around 60% so far and looking for even more gains out of it. But this is still good to enter, and I'm going to kind of talk about why. All right, so the first one is ticker symbol BITF. This is Bitfarms. And in the last 30 days, they have gone from 2 institutional owners to 14 different institutional owners. So this is a great one to pick up. Man, this has been great, and hopefully all of you got in on this on that other video. But the reason why I like it is because the institutional ownership, and this also fits my golden strategy, and that is a very powerful strategy that I use each and every day and cover in our premium room and also in our long-term dividend portfolio room in our Patreon group. Okay, so let's take a look at the chart and see what's going on here. So we did have a gap that opened up yesterday, but that got filled today, came down there, filled that gap. Hopefully all of you picked up some on that dip. That was a great opportunity to pick up some Bitfarm. And with the price of Bitcoin going up and improving in price, this has really been doing well. Also, hash rate per market cap. This one is the best on the stock market. So that's one to keep in mind. Much better than Riot or Mara. And so there's huge upside potential. My price target for this stock is $20. I really do think we have a shot of getting there by the end of 2021. You can see here, analysts have not caught up yet. They think it's worth $6.59. Or 635, excuse me, but they are wrong, and I think this thing is going to continue to move upwards. Should be really, really great. So we have the MACD Golden Cross down here. This is a great time to enter, and I got in too early. I think it was right about here when I got in. Anyway, moving up, and my average in is $3.99, but man, this has moved up. There's still so much further to go. I know it is overbought on the RSI, and so we did get a pullback, but the buyers are just pulling in, especially with how Bitcoin is moving. Okay, number 4 is ticker symbol STLA. This is Stellantis NV, and they have gone from 261 institutional owners to 639. So this has been a big uptick in the last 30 days. And so this is one definitely to watch. I think this would be a great stock to get into. I do not personally own this yet, but it's one that I like, and I think that will do very well. We just had a MACD Golden Cross. We have gotten overbought here right at 70 on the daily RSI. So that's a little bit of a concern. You can see that it's kind of staying stagnant. I would watch for it to pop down here and fill this gap here and look for an entry right around $20.70. But I think long term this is going to be great because institutions are just loading up so heavy. I don't expect that to stop. There are a few gaps here, though, to be concerned about. There's also another gap down here at 1973, but I don't think that's going to fill anytime soon. I can see this one marching up and getting a new high above 2139 very easily. And anyway, this is one to watch and put on your market list, and just take a look at it and see what you think about owning it in your portfolio. All right, let's go to number 3. Okay, number 3 is TNL, Travel and Leisure. And so many people are wanting to get out of the house, really wanting to move and go out and be about. And so this has really moved. In the last 30 days, we have institutional owners. It had 186 and it went to 745. So the institutional buying has really, really increased. We also have this big ABC correction down here with a low at 49.03. I think we are really close to turning this thing around. Finally hit a low point in the RSI and is now showing positive momentum. That's what the RSI indicator is. It's a momentum indicator. And so I feel good about this. I'm looking to enter this. I've not entered it yet, but I'm liking how it's about to cross on the MACD. You might think about waiting for it to actually confirm and cross there. But I think over time, this will move easily back upwards and be a terrific pick for all of us. All right, number 2 is an ETF, and I don't pick out ETFs too often, but this is ticker symbol INFL. This is the Horizon Kinetics Inflation Beneficiaries ETF. Okay, so many worries about inflation, price pressure, so much is going on, not enough people in the workplace. And so it's no surprise to me that institutions are loading up on this ETF. In the last 30 days, this has gone from 5 owners to 44 institutional owners. Also, they are putting more and more money that is not typical into this ETF. And so it is feeling that most hedge fund managers are feeling that inflation is going to be a real thing. And so they are loading up and having to report on this. And there are so many institutional owners in this that I can see this moving upwards. So we did have a MACD cross down here. It is continuing up today. It went up another 1%. Definitely within levels. I think that this can get quite a bit higher. I think we can see this as $35 or even $40. I would say my price target on it is 37 in 6 months. And I can see this really, really moving and doing very well for all of us. And number 1 is ticker symbol PSFE. This is Play Safe Limited. Now, I must do a disclaimer. I own this stock. I'm not just pumping it. I really, really believe in it. And in the last 30 days, it has gone from 44 institutional owners to 198. Since calling this out, though, in my group, we are down in this thing, and it has been chopping all around and crazy. We had a gap to fill, and today it filled and finished with a 4% loss, so that was not good. But this is a great place to load, and you can definitely get in a lot better than I got in. I don't think it's going to go down much lower with all that institutional ownership and all that institutional buying. I can see this moving way, way up, and that's why I am in it and like it for the long term. So this should be a great stock if you are looking for another great one to add to your portfolio. This might really help you out. Hopefully all of you have enjoyed this list. This is the first time I have done this video. I am looking to do this as a series. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I wish all of you the best in the stock market. Hopefully all of you enjoy my different lists and different picks that I have. And let's have a great rest of the trading week, and Raythoven out.